Well, good afternoon, everyone. And first of all, let me just express my appreciation to everybody attending the webinar today. We really appreciate your business and your partnership. So here is the agenda of what we're going to be talking today. Amana history, once America's most recognized and respected brands. Well, if you're not familiar, the Amana brand has a 90-year track record of innovative technology. It was founded in 1994, and since then, the Amana brand has enjoyed many industry firsts. From the technology behind the unique heat exchanger or the inclusion of the AC and heat pump inverters, we remain committed to the Amana brand's legacy. The 2 and 3 ton enhanced models have different allowable line set diameter. Not much, just a little bit different, so make sure when you go to install this product, you check the I/O, you check the specs, just make sure that you use the right combination, the allowable line set, right? That you know exactly what it is. Because if you just relay that, oh, it's the same as before, for 2 and 3 ton, it's different. But still, we have braced connections, and we ship the filter dryer loose. So we didn't change that. From a wiring standpoint, no changes, folks. It is the same. From the outdoor to the indoor, you just need 2 wires. If it's an air handler installation, you just need 4 more wires from the air handler to the thermostat, and if it's a gas furnace with a coil, you need 4 wires to the coil and 4 wires to the thermostat. Same thing as before, no changes. Smart. Well, the most important thing here is that it is the same design excellence. So we are sharing the same thing because it's part of the same series, right? So this is a communicating system. Okay, we have the same features like dehumidification or intelligent defrost mode, right, where the system will make sure that it maximizes heating operation, right? Or hot start technology, where you will avoid this cold draft, like building heating capacity before you engage the fan. So all of that, we have it already, and we have it in these new enhanced models. The enhanced models have the same swing compressor, the same one that we have been selling for the last 30 years. We sold more than 40 plus millions. That tells a lot of our reliability from a compressor standpoint. And the same one that we own the technology. We own the compressor technology and the controls of the compressor technology. Swing inverter compressor, like I mentioned, you will have connectivity with electronic expansion coils and air handlers, just specific for this model. The same ones as the current models. Now we have more range on the coils, on the outflow, downflow coils. So we are able to go to 1.5 to 5 ton. You can still use the same communicating gas furnaces from 80 to 97%, even though they are comfort bridge. Now remember, once connected to the S series, the system will behave as a comfort net system, climate talk, okay? And then we have connectivity with the Amana Smart Thermostat. That's the thermostat that you need in order to install this system. Now moving to sound, this is my preferred feature because this system is extremely quiet and it's the same quietness as we have before. To showcase here is that for both models, like enhanced and unenhanced, is that when you are in quiet mode, you can get as low as 45 dBA. And that's important, especially in places where the city is requiring some sound ordinances and you need to comply. Then this is the right system where you can get as low as these 45 dBA. There's 3 different levels. Okay, very, 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 very low, extremely low system. Moving to savings. Okay, we kept the same proposed limited warranty. You have lifetime unit replacement, one time only, and then you have 10-year parts limited warranty. All right, strong product warranty. This is the same affordable inverter technology, able to save up to 30% savings in energy compared with a single stage equipment because of the compact design, logistic savings as well. And from a positioning standpoint, this system is positioned as the current one between 16 to 18 SEER, 1 and 2 stage system. That's where we want to position. That's the efficiency tier where we want you guys to position this S-Series system, whether it's enhanced or not enhanced, when you do your estimates. All right, we got to the end of the 4 S's, and now frequently asked questions. So I hope here I can answer most of the questions, and then let's see if how many more you have after in the Q&A. All right, so when will the PMN and pricing be released? It was released the 18th of July. So PMN and pricing is available from the 18th of July. When will order and shipments begin? They are already available. And shipments, we are shipping already. So we are fully ready for you guys. When will the ratings be available? They were available from July, beginning of July. Are the S-Series Energy Star certified? Yes. As Cold Climate Heat Pump Energy Star. Okay? Cold Climate Heat Pump Energy Star. The enhanced models have all their matchups already certified as Energy Star Cold Climate Heat Pump. Right? And that is remember one of the criteria that the 2 criteria that the Energy Star or the EPA has put together. What are the compatible equipment for the Amana S series enhanced models? Well, you see it. You can see it now in the screen. Communicating air handler, the MVVC modular blower, the CAPA, outflow downflow coils. We do not have yet a horizontal solution with electron expansion valve, but probably late 2024 when we roll the R32 models, we will have that one available. And then from a furnace standpoint, we can use all the comfort bridge furnaces, all of them. Even for you folks that are in California, you can use the variable speed models for that are NOx, right? Low NOx. Another question, is the series comfort bridge compatible? Well, the system is compatible with existing comfort bridge indoor and air handlers, but it's not comfort bridge control. It will be, as soon as it's connected, it will be controlled in climate talk protocol. Will the Amana S series enhanced models have dual fuel capabilities? Yes, like I mentioned before, from 1.5 to 5 ton. So now we have a wider, flexibility for those of you that are in a dual fuel market and for outflow and downflow configurations. The matchups, it says we do not have, but yes, we do have those matchups already. Oh, for the horizontal, I'm so sorry. We do not have the horizontal matchups like I mentioned before, but we look to expand application in the future. Again, I think late 2024, we will have that horizontal coil. And then resources and supporting materials. So you guys have the our product line card that you can access. This is already available in our website and different platforms that you can get that. So those models fall under the S series category. You also can get into our Amana website, and in there you will see the consumer brochure, the IO, or the technical specifications. You also can go into the system configurator.
完整视频请关注我们的北美华人暖通空调 YouTube 频道。